Hi, I'm Gautam, the CEO and co founder of 15 Rock. I'm going to show you how reporting climate risk for SMEs has never been easier. What we'll discuss today is basically the overall issue that we're facing, 15 Rock solution, go over a few benefits, and of course, give you a demo. So right now, SMEs have a big problem. They're being forced to report by their partners and vendors and regulatory bodies, yet it's very complex, extremely time consuming, and expensive. In this economy, those are not good options for any problem. Also, SMEs lack expertise and the resources of large firms, which makes it very hard for them to do this internally. So they have to rely on external consultants who tend to, although be fairly affordable, charge them more than their budgets have been allocated. So I don't need to remind you, but just in case I do, climate change is extremely complex and interconnected. Many of these groups operate independently, but also overall connect to create climate change. Having the resources to monitor all of them is quite difficult. So 15 Rock solution is revolutionary. It automates the data collection. It customizes metrics beyond just greenhouse gas, but it can look at diversity and other metrics, including custom ones that you like. And it automatically generates reports that are regulatory ready and investor grade. In fact, we work with some of the largest investors in the world, and this tool is exactly what they're using. The platform can scan for information, ask for missing data, and externally or internally validate that data is there. Our analysis also provides you actionable pathways that are customized to you. So we're not upselling you another set of consulting where we then implement what we told you to implement. This is things that may be accessible to you today or accessible through more affordable means. Our platform is extremely simple. You just upload documents, and our system processes your documents, our proprietary documents, and our knowledge of over modeling over 86,000 companies and including over 300 SMEs on our platform today. That gives you an interesting view of how others are experiencing climate risk and how you can move forward as well. So let me just give you a demo. So what you can do is you upload data into our data room, and here you can see for demo, we uploaded a bunch of Amazon's data. You can also just upload folders and files. Whatever you upload will process. And then from there, we can simply generate our report. All this Amazon TCFD report was generated entirely through the data sets that we had uploaded. We did not actually intervene with this. But what you can do is you can go in, edit any answer, and you can run our AI engine. Our AI engine is extremely unique in that it connects to multiple different data sets, and you can then answer questions that it has based on your data and your industry and enrich the data. The output of this is a beautiful report that you get. Now, I'll show you something else if that's not enough. We can also do transition plans. So what you do is you can set a simple goal like reduce greenhouse gas emissions for scope 1 or hire more women or any other goal that you have. And effectively, we break those goals down into different types so they're organized. And within two screens, you can create a goal. And then what you can do is once you create a goal, you can create projects under them. And here I simply just create a test project to show you how to do it. And it's just test data. But effectively, you just enter project attributes and how it contributes to your goal, and you're done. And as you can see at the bottom here, we have a few projects already, and you can track them and you can report them. So, what my last part of the demo is this is the output. Now, you used AI, you created a TCFD report. You've also created a transition plan for free that's aligned to TPT and many other transition plan frameworks globally. And you can do that in under 5 minutes. It's never been easier. Now, if you would like better results or you want to fine tune it, then you can chat with the chatbot for as long as you like and use all of the data sets that we keep enriching every day in order to get better results. So, how are we able to do this so well? Here's what 15 Rock does in a nutshell behind the scenes. It takes your data and it starts researching at scale. Then it connects that data and does analysis on it. It provides you feedback through the chatbot or through emails. And once you're ready, you can generate the report. Now, for a lot of these, we just automate it and make it seamless, but you can intervene with any of these steps and use it as you see fit. The benefit also then to you becomes we can generate reports generally in minutes. And unlike, and sorry, this screen is actually for a more comprehensive report, but we can go from minutes to hours instead of the human equivalent of months. And most SMEs we're seeing, it usually takes at least 1 to 5 months for a consultant to work with them. We can go much more in depth than consultants, and we're at least 50% cheaper, with most of our customers seeing about 95% cost savings. And if you look at our process, it's very similar as a human process, except humans take a lot of time to process a lot of data. As a result, they skip data, they can't process it all, or they just, if they do it, they take a lot of time and it costs a lot. So as a customer, you have to basically choose between someone giving you inefficient reports and an analysis, or someone giving you very comprehensive yet expensive reports. With our AI, you do not have to make that choice again. The other cool thing our AI can do is once we have all this data from you on how your company operates, and again, the data input does not have to be a climate report. It can just be operational data. We just need to understand how your company operates, as well as you just answer a few questions when you sign up for the system. I think it's about 10 questions, roughly around your industry, location, and type of business. But from that data, we can start to assess your physical risk, your transition risk. We can assess your exposure to climate solutions and government policies. That then can go into other research reports, progress reports, many different things. And we're constantly adding new types of reporting and analytics. Currently, we have over 10, including CSRD and ISSB, but we are constantly adding more. This helps you save time, money versus using consultants, including also other platforms. A lot of other platforms charge $10,000 to $30,000 for SMEs to start to report, and we think that's silly. Our platform is completely free if you're not using the AI, and if you're using the AI, it's only $150 a month, and you can cancel anytime. You can literally use it for 1 month, get your AI, and then cancel. And we have a free trial, so you could generate your TCFD report without a single charge. Probably shouldn't be telling you guys that. Um, and why use us? Because we've been doing this since 2019. We work at some of the biggest firms in the world. Some of the biggest firms are using our system daily, and we have a ton of experience. Our models are highly tuned and trained versus companies that have just been doing it for under a year. We have many users, including the logos I show, but we constantly are adding new users every single day. The beauty of our system is as people join, we get others joining after, and they invite their friends, and their friends invite their friends. So the proof is in our user growth. So thank you. I hope this was informative, and I'd love for you to sign up and try it. Please just go to our site and click on the sign up button at the top right, or you can reach out to us and we're happy to walk you through and set you up. It shouldn't take more than 10, 15 minutes. Okay. Thank you and have a great day.